Hello and welcome to another episode of Shed Customs TV, and what you see in front of you is the beginnings of a Dunlop seat that I made for my 1938 Rudge. So I took an original seat frame, chopped it about until it fitted the Dunlop seat top, and then welded it all back together again. The moving pictures, if you like, where it's the black frame, this has been pre-drilled for all the rivets, and it's basically powder coated, and I'm going to take you through the process of finalising the seat and riveting on the seat cover and the Dunlop badge. So I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So we got these.
Oh, sorry.
Get one bit done. Then we can drill the other ones to suit, is my plan. What's that look like? Lovely. Leave that one till last because I can't get to it. Design fault. Over that way. Right. No, it's because I haven't got the room.
Too big. Yeah, I know.
I haven't got the room.
Looking for a smaller bit.
So the last bit is the Dunlop badge,
Actually, sorry.
which we're going to rivet on. For the second part of this video, you join us at the Waco Major milling table, and we're in the process of making a front brake torque arm. The torque arm is made of aluminium, and the job we're doing is to detail a couple of slots in the front face with a ball nose cutter. And as you can see, we've not got the right size collet, so we're using a chuck to do that, which is not ideal. And we're also using a tin can full of oil as opposed to some paraffin, which I would normally use. But anyway, we'll make do amend. Have a look at the finished product and see what you think, and then a later video, when we get to that stage of building up the bike, we'll show you this part in more detail. Thanks.